later on. Today postcard writing.
उस दिन जो आप राइटिंग
Okay. Uh, today another topic. Formal letter. We have discussed it. I have given you one sample formal letter also. It is under long composition. Formal letter comes under long composition and it is written in 80 to 90 words or even 90 to 100 words. This is the word limit of this composition, formal letter. Okay, so today children, another one, very simple postcard writing. Writing section once again, children. And today it is topic postcard. So this is the topic. बाप रे, आज क्यों नहीं लिख रहा है भाई?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, children.
Sir.
Postcard writing. This is the topic.
Good morning, sir.
Children, for your knowledge, for your information, children. A postcard is an open letter. Okay? It is an open letter. And it is written, children, on a card. You can say on a card it is written. It is written on a card. Okay? So, topic postcard writing. It is an open letter. It is an open letter. At present, so this letter is disappearing from the scene. It is disappearing, means it is losing its existence. It is disappearing. It is not in common circulation now. It is not in vogue and it is not in practice. Okay, children, for your information, listen. Are you listening to me, children?
Yes, sir.
Listen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
A postcard. Okay, a postcard is an open letter. But have you seen any postcard recently?
No, sir.
No, not seen. Okay.
No, sir.
So,
ओपन लेटर से मतलब कैसा?
what? What
सर ओपन लेटर होता है ना, तो सर ओपन लेटर से कैसा?
means anybody can read it.
ओपन लेटर
It is not covered, or it is not wrapped, or it is not, you can say packed letter. It is open and it is written on a card. Have you seen an invitation card?
यस सर,
Invitation card? Yeah. Wedding invitation card, marriage invitation card,
यस सर,
marriage anniversary card. So just like that, okay, so you easily read it.
यस सर,
Yeah. So this is it is just like that only, and it is rectangular in shape. Listen, it is rectangular in shape, and brown in color. So you can write dear, it is rectangular in shape,
सर शेप के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
and brown in color, and anybody can read it.
सर धुंधला दिख रहा है, वीडियो क्लियर नहीं है, आपका वीडियो क्लियर नहीं है।
हाँ, I can see children.
सर ब्राउन कलर के बाद क्या? सर ब्राउन कलर के बाद सर आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है सर, अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा, क्लियर ही सर ब्राउन कलर के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
Okay, I am making it clear. Write it, and anybody can read it. Anybody can read it. So only ordinary matter, very simple and ordinary matter is written on it. Okay, so
सर ये ब्राउन कलर का होता है सर, ऐसा जरूरी भी तो नहीं है सर, ये और किसी कलर का भी हो सकता है ना?
एकदम लाइट ऑरेंज कलर, light orange, very, I am trying to show it. Yes, color, this color. Okay, I am trying to show. See, I am pointing. This color you can see.
Yes sir.
So it is
Yes sir.
it is deeper.
Yes sir.
It is deeper a bit, but the color of postcard is lighter.
Sir.
This is the color. This is light. You can call it light orange, light yellow, light brown, etc. Okay. Well, so it contains only. It contains.
Sir, anybody can read it. Sir, board is not here.
Read it. So it contains only ordinary and simple matter. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. आज लिख लो, मैं बोर्ड को साफ कर रहा हूं डियर. ओके, इतना ही लिखो जल्दी.
Yes sir, लिख लो.
Yes. I am trying to. I am going to clean my board. Okay. Yeah. This much, only this much you write just now. I hope all the students of sections A and B are joining this good morning, are joining this interactive virtual session on English writing skills, on English writing section. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, completed.
Completed. Just wait. I am cleaning. Yes.
Done. Sir, done.
Okay. I am cleaning. The board first. Wait.
Yes, sir. Sir, complete. Sir, complete. Sir, आप बोल. Sir, complete. Sir, complete. Sir, done.
Just wait, children. Just wait. I am cleaning it. The board is not,
Sir,
Yes.
सर पोस्टकार्ड भी हम नहीं लिखवाएंगे. सर आप फॉर्मेट और प्रिंट का नहीं लिखवाएंगे लेटर.
हाँ. Yes. Wait a minute. I am rubbing it. I am cleaning it.
सर पोस्टकार्ड भी बॉक्स में ही लिखते हैं. हाँ.
It is a card. So I am drawing a model. It's model. Correct model I am drawing.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Okay. Write the format now. So it is rectangular in shape. Okay, children. It is rectangular in shape and